Teradyne leads in automated test and robotics, balancing the massive opportunity in AI against significant market cyclicality. Teradyne's business centers on automated test equipment and industrial robotics. The company operates in three main segments: semiconductor test, robotics, and all other. Most of its revenue comes from Asia, especially Korea, Taiwan, and China, with about 13% from the United States. In semiconductor test, Teradyne offers platforms for every chip type. UltraFlex and Flex target AI and high-performance computing. J750 is used for automotive and microcontrollers. Magnum serves memory and high-bandwidth memory, and ETS is for power and analog chips. The Titan HP platform is designed for AI system-level test. In robotics, Teradyne owns Universal Robots, which makes collaborative robots, and MiR, which produces autonomous mobile robots for industrial automation. The focus is on partnerships, especially as 2024 demand remains soft. The all-other segment includes niche test systems for defense, aerospace, and wireless applications through LightPoint. Teradyne makes money primarily by selling automated test equipment to chip makers. This is driven by semiconductor capital expenditures and the rising need for more intensive testing as AI and chiplet technologies advance. Robotic sales are driven by industrial automation trends. The company also generates recurring revenue from services and sales in smaller test segments. Rising demand for AI accelerators and high-bandwidth memory is a primary catalyst for Teradyne. The growing need for system-level test of complex AI chips is a key growth vector. In robotics, the company is navigating soft demand and foreign exchange headwinds in 2024, but expects a medium-term recovery. Geopolitical factors, such as U.S. export controls on China, add business friction. Teradyne's strengths include its entrenched position in the automated test equipment market and deep customer relationships. Its advanced platforms are critical for testing next-generation chips, and increasing chip complexity and test intensity directly benefit the core business. The company is also well-positioned for long-term growth as industries adopt automation. However, Teradyne faces risks. The business is highly exposed to volatile semiconductor capital expenditure cycles. There is significant revenue concentration among a few large customers. Geopolitical risk, especially U.S.-China trade friction and export controls, is a major headwind. The company is also vulnerable to global electronics supply chain disruptions. Overall, Teradyne is a cyclical leader with strong secular growth drivers in AI and automation. Key things to watch include semiconductor test demand, the recovery of the robotics market, and U.S.-China trade policy. The company's active share buyback program signals management's confidence.